So the program started a few months ago where we went out and visited the schools and we talked a bit about additive manufacturing and the advantages of it and our involvement in it. It was designed to give them an idea of what the engineering world is like for us here, and at the same time give them an opportunity to design something for themselves that they could design and get printed and take away on the day of the visit. So we had two schools involved in it this year. We had Gaelcholaiste Luimnigh from Limerick, that they came back again, and we also had St. Joseph's from Tulla. It was their first time here today as well. It was good to see that they were able to find their own ways of being able to generate 3D models, saving the files and edited their models to suit the additive manufacturing. So it was a good learning experience for them all. It was worthwhile doing for them, yeah.
It's like eye-opening for like many people who are really technical and like this type of thing. Just like looking at your own creations being printed. I don't know, I think it's great.
I thought it was very interesting and that I learned a lot, particularly about what you could do at the other end of maybe studying something like engineering and what your skills can be used for. I've always just been interested by how stuff works, why it works. In first year, I did a science project on how motors work. And since then, I've always kind of thought, you know, I could probably do that. And when this opportunity was presented to me, maybe I could 3D print the parts for that, put it together, and hopefully it'll work.
I think it was a very good experience. I've been interested in engineering and 3D printing for a while now. Glad I got to come here. It's good to learn about all the different ways they make things. The most, I think it was the project leading up beforehand. We got to design our own parts and seeing them being made today and having them now, it's really good. Yeah, me and Andrew, we designed a DC motor, and when we put the parts together, we should be able to turn a fan or turn on a light bulb. They had a laser printing machine and he was able to carve out like names. We got our names carved into pens, and it took only about half a second to do, which was really futuristic and looked very cool.
We designed a woggle because we're in Scouts, and they're like the things you use to do your neckerchief. Seeing all the machines and how they make such tiny little things and all the details and how much work goes into making everything perfect.
Oh, I really enjoyed it. I did TG from first to third year, so I really enjoyed getting back into it this year. It was really enjoyable overall.